Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well. Today I'm at Selfridges. As you can see, I just came to Selfridges because there is a new Dior pop-up and apparently they give free notebooks. So I'm gonna go and see if I can manage to get one without an appointment, and then I'm gonna check out the new Fendi collection. That's actually the main reason I came. Fendi Spring Summer. Have you seen all the beautiful embellished peekaboos? I can't wait to show you and see them myself in person. So yeah, let's go and check them out. I think I found one of the most beautiful Lady Dior's. Oh, look at the embroidery and the little ladybugs with the green bow. This is another one that I absolutely love from the new collection I showed you in my previous vlog. Let me know which one you prefer. This one is also so stunning with the clovers. In my previous vlog, I'll link it above, I didn't show you the men's collection, so let's have a quick look. Look at this clover clutch. And this saddle bag is stunning. Love the brown oblique. Also some of the men's ready to wear. Next up, Fendi, but look what I spotted. A Fendi, Emily in Paris, baguette and a peekaboo. This is a special edition. Ooh, look at this scarf. How lovely.
That's the scarf. Yes. When we open, it is soft.
I love these soft pastels on this one. It will be so beautiful in spring. I also spotted some new sparkly baguettes. Look at this one. Can't wait to try them on. A lovely color combination. They also have this one with the monogram FF all over. It is a slightly darker burgundy with pink. Oh my god, I found the cutest little nano baguette. Look at the colorway again. This I need. I think I need this, guys. It's £800. And look, it comes with a leather strap. It's so teeny tiny. Also, you can clip it onto jeans. I think it looks really cool. Okay guys, so I have an update about the Dior pop-up. Unfortunately, they stopped doing the personalization without an appointment, so I couldn't get the free notebook. But you can still do it if you book an appointment online. However, I think the slots are now fully booked. So the only way to get that free notebook is if you actually buy something, for example a handbag or ready to wear. You can ask your SA to book you in for a slot to get the free notebook. So I'm really actually annoyed that I missed, because the first 1 or 2 days they were doing it without an appointment. But yeah, I guess I'm not gonna get the free notebook. My friend managed to get one and it looks so lovely. If I find any pictures, I'll insert here so you can see how it looks like. Apart from that, as you saw at Fendi, they did not have the embellished peekaboos. I believe they have some exclusively at Harrods and the New Bond Street boutique. So I guess we might have to head down to Harrods today, although that wasn't the plan. But I'm gonna go down to Harrods to check out the embellished bags, because that's one of the main reasons I actually came out today, to see those embellished bags and also show you. Yeah, I'm here actually behind the mirror to show you my outfit before I leave. So this is the look. I'm wearing jeans, grey and silver. So let's start with the jewelry. I'm wearing my Hermes silver jewelry, the new Olymp silver earrings in the color Argent. I'm obsessed with them, and to match I'm wearing this silver eyeliner. Then the top is High Street. I got it on sale. I'm not sure if it's still available, but I'll make sure to link it. I love the draping on the neck. The coat is also old, from Mango. I got it a couple of years ago. I'll see if I can find something similar again to link. Jeans are also Mango. My Picotin cargo and my Vivaya shoes that I love and wear all the time. So yeah, this is today's look. We are in the fine jewelry section. I'm looking for Cartier to try on one of my wishlist items. I'm looking for the Justin Clou cuff. This is one of the new watches. It's stunning. Oh my god, but look at this one. This is insane. Guys, I can't believe they have the cuff. Finally, I've been trying to find this to try on, but it's always sold out.
Now straight away. If you want to see in a full-size mirror, you can check.
The essay is also showing me some of the new Justin Clou pieces with the diamonds on the spiky bit. As you can see, the new design has more diamonds on the other end. I actually love the white gold. It matches today's outfit so well. Okay, I'm speechless. I haven't seen anything more beautiful than this watch. It is eye-watering £71,000. Love, love, love. And I finally got to Harrods, and here they are, the bags I actually wanted to check out. The reason I came shopping today, I really was dying to see these new peekaboos. Look at this one with the flowers. How fun is this? They also come in more colorways, but they don't have all of them, so this is another option. And they also have a black leather peekaboo with this interior inside, the multicolor. Oh, look at this, the taupe with the blue is such a nice combo. And this is what you see from above. Wow, I love this. Again, it matches my outfit today. But also look at the yellow one. It's such a fun pop of color, and the little flowers look like candies inside. Obsessed. So these bags are very limited and they only do pre-orders. So if you want one, you have to prepay and then they will ship one for you. Oh, this is so fun.
They are a special edition. They did a very small production.
They have these Colibri limited edition shoes exclusive for Harrods. And as you can see, this one has water snake exotic detailing. Look at this fur baguette. Love the combination of colors. Okay, I was just waiting to try on some shoes, but look at the water they brought me. So these are the very limited edition Colibri shoes. There is only 30 pieces available all over the world. Wow. Okay, I love these. I love the color, very wearable. And they're also super comfortable. So this is the other one with the water snake exotic. These are more spring summer, I would say. Love these, but they're almost 3,000. And here is another version, also in mink. These are the Viro YSL pumps. They still have this lunchbox bag. Actually, I'm gonna try it on. How chic are these gloves? I spotted this new color. Look how gorgeous it is. Very chic khaki. Love this. It's such a sophisticated color. They also have a new burgundy. This is also beautiful. I love everything in suede.